AB15 Godfathers, 18 kVFL American Bass amp.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Is it yours?
No, it's my husband.
It is?
My right
Okay.
at home.
Oh, okay. Wow. What's the name of it? Budweiser?
Budweiser.
Budweiser. Okay. Wow. That choked me a little bit.
Yeah. Get you right here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Awesome.
Oh, sorry.
Could y'all tell me what's in here equipment-wise?
Yes,
Go
there's
ahead.
6 AB15 Godfathers,
Okay.
18 kVFL American Bass amp,
Okay. All
stock
right.
alternator, and
Really?
5 extra car batteries.
Okay. And it's a 4th order?
Yes, absolutely.
Do you know the tuning on it?
It's 2 to 1, 3 to 1 ratio.
3 to 1 ratio.
It's
Okay.
tuned at about 28 to 35
28?
hertz.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Awesome. Can I see the amp?
Yes,
In the back?
absolutely.
And the amp, what is it wired to? 1 ohm. Okay. Nice. And you have your batteries behind it?
Under here, and here's the charging ports for the batteries.
Ah, brilliant. Okay, that's nice. All right. Thank you. What was your name?
My name is Peggy.
Thank you. Jacob.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Thank you for the demo.
You're very welcome.
Thanks for the demo, man. What was your name?
Oh, Jhonny. No
Jhonny.
problem at all.
Jacob. Thanks. Nice to meet you, man.
You too.
I like the frog theme.
Thank you.
Are you ready for
for it? Are you ready for it? Are you ready for it?
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.